conceal and cover yourself. Abhi there in open. Somebody points a gun. You don't know whether he's going to shoot or not, but he may shoot. Ready? Okay, better. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah. Nice. The more you move out, the better it is. Okay, switch. Up.
फील के साथ निकालो ना पीछे से
Short. Go. So I move out of where I was standing here. I have to move in left or right. It's like a goalkeeper situation in football. Now we are talking of a situation when the gun is pointed in your face. Okay, now he puts. Now we are talking of a situation when the gun is pointed in your face. Okay, now he puts it here. अब आप क्यों लगाओगे मेरे को गन ऐसे? किस सिचुएशन में ऐसे लगाएगा? ऐसे लगाएगा? Okay, लेने के लिए तो see if I had the gun ऐसे जो भी कुछ है, so I'm doing this. Okay, so there is a lot of commotion, there is a lot of pushing and all. There are 2-3 reasons why somebody will come too close. A lot of people ask me why will somebody so close? इतना नज़दीक कोई क्यों आएगा? लोग पूछते हैं. तो उसका जवाब ये है, ठीक है, धमकाने के लिए. क्या बोल रहा था मैं? हाँ साले पकड़ियो उसको or something like that. Or situation number 2 would be here, come and sit in my car, come, and maybe he tries and grab your hand or whatever. When he does not want to shoot you, but he wants to threaten you. हमारे situation में, in civilian situation, most of the time they will not shoot you. Most of the time they will threaten. Situation, he points a gun and starts pushing me or taking me. So this is what I do. So what I'm doing here, the moment he grabs me, मुझे अच्छी धक्का जोर से देना चाहिए. Hey, commotion is there. Now I pull out the gun. Now I may use it to shoot him, or I may just use the metal of the gun, boom, hit him in the face, scan the area. If I know how to use the firearm, I tell him, hey, move back. Or I just go away or run away with the gun or throw it and get out from there. When he grabs me, ensure that your hand doesn't go from the outside, the hand stays inside of the hand, okay? Not from here. Because if he points the gun now it will become difficult for me. So try and keep your hands closed. Hey, no. And then, see now, if you see this angle of the pistol, I did not ask him anything. It was out. It was not in the center. It was here. It will move left and right, okay? So the moment I feel it's good, that's the time I grab. Now when I'm grabbing, now see, I'm grabbing his finger and his thumb. And when I press it, it hurts. Take it out, hit him, scan the area, move back or disengage, disarm and get away, okay? He comes close, points the gun, starts pushing me. Hey. Now when I take it out, I have to move to run away first. Disarm first, then run. Let's say you don't go away, just point the gun the way you go. So I take out my knife and maybe stab him. Okay, this is very pertinent with trained attackers and killers. They may have a secondary weapon. So always clear off. और आपको हो सकता है वेपन यूज़ करना भी ना आता हो. बहुत सारी पिस्टल ऐसी हैं जो मुझे भी नहीं आती होंगी कैसे, बिकॉज आई हैव यूज्ड ओनली सेलेक्टेड मॉडल्स. आई मे नॉट नो उसका अटक रही है या उसकी सेफ्टी कैच किधर है या उसका कॉकिंग सिस्टम क्या है, उसमें राउंड कितने हैं, ऑल दैट. सो दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, चलो. द डिसआर्म इज नॉट क्लीन, तो क्या करना है? लेट्स से ही पॉइंट द गन हियर and now I feel it's like difficult for me, so I deliver a kick, something, and then take it out. Okay, so what I'm doing, so when he does this, I need to distract him and say, hey, kick, disarm, and then you engage or whatever. Okay, so distract with a strike, kick, punch, whatever. Okay, now we are talking about situation number 3, when you're driving your car or you're sitting at the red light waiting for the red light to turn green, and suddenly this guy who was posing as a beggar pulls out a gun and points at your head and asks you to come out of the car, or maybe asking you to give away something or whatever. Okay, now when you're driving your car, your hands are here, your full body movement will not be there, it will only the upper body, primarily the hands. So when he points the gun, don't get inside the car. You're outside, your door hai, so you are somewhere here and the pistol is here. So what is to be done, you have to see. Now if you have a co-passenger sitting here, then don't point the gun towards the co-passenger. Be careful of that. If you have nobody there, then you can do this, pull out, push him, start your car, and just. Now, let's say there was a co-passenger here. So my first situation, I'll go slow. What I did was, hey, what do you want? Go inside here, and then I'm turning it up, hitting him with the gun, and then boom, accelerating. Maybe I'm not even holding the steering for a while, so that I just clear off 5-10 meters from them. Okay. Situation number 2 is when there is somebody sitting here also in the front. Now I can't do the defense from the front, so I have to do something which is keeping in mind the safety of the other passengers. So he points the gun here. I bring my hand. Hey, bro, you want? Now I turn it here, away from me. Turn, hit him, and then go away with my car. Okay. So the window was rolled down. Maybe AC is not working, or the weather was good. We were talking, and then waiting, and then this guy comes with a gun. Go, hey, what do you want? And here, I turn it in, and I'm grabbed in, and now if I zoom, his hand is going to break. So the pistol is pointing outside. I have grabbed his thumb here. I can disarm, push him, boom, and go away from there. Okay. 2 is that you grab me, okay, and you try and push me inside, so that the barrel is also pointing towards him. So I'm here. He suddenly comes from nowhere. Hey, now I go up. Now what I've done, come inside and see. I have stuck the this thing and try and pull it out. So I've stuck it against the roof, and I go and smash his hand against the roof. Cock the gun if I know how to engage. Just go out from there. All right. All right. You are sitting inside the car. Okay. The best thing is that you keep the window rolled up. Now, when it is rolled up, the intrusion will become a little difficult. Okay. The person cannot come close to you. So it gives some sort of a cover from an attacker. Okay. That is the first thing. Now, if for some reason your window is down and this guy takes out a pistol and says, hey, now see, his hand will be here, or he can go like this, or his hand is here and he tells you to come out or whatever. Okay. Brings the gun here. So you tell him, okay, okay, okay. Now what is to be done? Open your seatbelt. Because you keep saying, wait, 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 open your seatbelt. Once you have opened your seatbelt, now your hands are automatically close to the weapon. Now do the disarm, and here, and immediately speed away. Okay, so this technique has to be done quickly. Okay? One more time. So here, hey, get out of the way. Okay, and then you go out. Now I can maybe just start throw punches or whatever, but I will not be able to do any more damage than this.